Welcome to another awesome video from the beautiful city of Madrid. We've got a lot of cool stuff lined up, so don't go anywhere and stick around till the end. Let's jump right in. Let's go. The round facade of Atocha Station is an architectural marvel, featuring a stunning dome made of iron and glass. This iconic structure beautifully blends historic and modern elements, making it a symbol of Madrid's vibrant character. As you approach, the intricate details and grandeur of the circular entrance invite you into a lush tropical garden inside, creating a unique atmosphere. Atocha Station is not just a transport hub, it's a captivating experience that reflects the essence of the city. Right across from the iconic Atocha Station, you'll find a bustling strip of restaurants and bars. It's the perfect spot to grab a bite or enjoy a drink outdoors while soaking up the amazing Madrid vibe. The atmosphere here is always lively and vibrant, making it a great place to unwind and take in the stunning views. You definitely don't want to miss this experience. Check out this charming kiosk where you can grab tour bus tickets and pick up unique Madrid souvenirs. It's the perfect spot to find cool trinkets and memorabilia that represent the city. Don't leave without taking a little piece of Madrid home with you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. It really boosts our energy and keeps us motivated to create even more exciting videos. Thanks for all your support. If you've got a train ticket from Atocha and arrived early, no worries. The area around the station is packed with awesome restaurants, lively bars, and a beautiful park that'll easily fill your time before your train departs. Whether you were grabbing a bite or just soaking in the Madrid vibes, there's plenty to keep you busy until it's time to board. There was this massive and absolutely stunning cream and red building near Atocha, right by the park. It was so eye-catching and impressive. Unfortunately, the doors were closed, so I could only film the exterior. But even from the outside, it was breathtaking. The architecture was just incredible, and it made for some amazing footage. The Pio Baroja statue in Madrid is a tribute to one of Spain's most famous writers, known for his deep thoughts on life and society. It's located in Retiro Park, and the statue really captures the spirit of his bold and rebellious ideas. It's a cool spot to stop by if you're into literature or just want to appreciate some local history while exploring the park.
Sí, me acuerdo de eso que me dijo, vamos a ver, es que esto se tiene que...
There was this super cute little cobblestone street near Atocha, really cozy and tucked away. It had some great cafes and restaurants where you could chill, grab some food, or sip on a coffee outside. With the awesome Madrid weather, it was the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the vibe. Madrid's summer sky is just incredible, especially like it is right now with those beautiful fluffy clouds. It's so stunning and really makes you appreciate the city even more. You can't help but look up and just feel amazed at how gorgeous it is out here. Right outside Atocha Station, you'll find a convenient lineup of taxis ready to take you wherever you need to go in Madrid. It's super easy to hop in and get a ride, whether you're heading to your hotel, exploring the city, or catching your next train. Plus, the drivers are usually friendly and can give you tips on the best spots to check out. So don't hesitate to grab a taxi and make the most of your time in this amazing city. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, stick around for more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for all your support and for being such awesome viewers.